Hi, Erika Shakespeare here, and I want to show you the right way to put in foam earplugs. So there's a couple different types of foam earplugs. I really like these ones because they have a tapered tip, and so they're a little nicer for a narrow canal or a small ear canal. I'm sure you're familiar with the 3M yellow foam earplugs, and those ones can be used as well. The techniques are going to be the same regardless of which ones you use. So with a foam earplug, these are single use, which means don't put them in the wash, don't reuse them. You use them once and then you throw them away. They're super cheap. If you need a pair, you come by and we'll give you a pair. Anyway, here's what you do. You're going to take this foam and you're going to roll it in your fingers like this so that it becomes this long, skinny tube. Okay? Then you're going to use your hand while keeping rolling with one hand. You're going to grab your other arm, put it over your head, and grab a hold of your earlobe. And so you want to grab from the top of the earlobe and pull up and out, and that's going to straighten your ear canal so that you can get this into the ear. So again, keep rolling it, and then you're going to slide it into your ear like so, and hold your finger there, let go of the ear, keep this finger holding that earplug until it fully expands in the ear. Don't let go yet, it's not expanded. Takes about 30 to 60 seconds. So we're just going to wait till it fully expands in the ear before we let go. You'll start to hear it cut off the sound as it fully expands. And then once you let go, you should have a nice seal. If you don't feel like you've got a good seal, if you feel like you're getting air through there, stop, check. You may need to take it out and insert again. Thanks for watching.